Probably Ollie.
JJ.
Ollie.
I'd say myself. I'm pretty bloody lazy.
Ollie. Definitely.
Ollie.
Ollie.
I've known Ollie the longest, but they're all great guys. They'll do anything for you.
I'd say JJ because I've known him prior to the band and whatever. So
I don't know. We're all good mates. We're all good mates.
I'd probably say Alex, the other guitarist. He practices all the time.
I'd say Alex. He's a bit of a whiz kid on the guitar.
Alex.
Alex.
Me.
I'd probably say me, surprisingly, because I'm probably the scruffiest looking member of the band, but I'm always looking in the mirror, so I'd probably say me.
JJ.
I'd say Big Nath on bass. He's got the old ponytail, slick back ponytail going on. So
Nathan.
Probably me.
The best personal hygiene. Rich.
probably Rich. He's a bit of an old man, so.
Me.
Definitely not me. Best personal hygiene is probably Rich, I'd say.
Definitely not JJ. I would probably say Alex.
The worst, JJ.
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 Me. Definitely. Still haven't showered. Been here 2 days.
Again, Alex, probably he's a bit of a, he does all computer programming and stuff, so he's...
Obviously me. No. I'd probably say Alex. I don't know.
Alex.
Alex. He's just a mathematical genius.
Definitely me.
Rich.
Rich is grumpy old man. That's it.
Rich.
Rich.
Me.
Well, after last night, definitely not Ollie.
Ollie. Without a shadow.
I would probably say Ollie. Not because he's tough, but when he's had a drink, he thinks he's tough.
I think Ollie thinks he is, but he's not.
Probably me.
You're gonna have to show me the scars.